My name is Uncle
My name is Hilarious.
from M4 Club. So here is the start point. The start point we have the electronic timer, and then when your car starts, the timer will start. So this is the first checkpoint. It's the plate Buddha. And we start from the bottom, and then we will drive 4 rounds, 4 wheel, and then go to the top. So after that we go to the second stage, final science. And actually for the track, it is the 40 degrees to go up, and it is about 2 meters high, and then go down with very high speed. And so the first part, the first stage is the high test tunnel, and then we go inside just like the real tunnel, and then final stage is the Chiangmai Bridge, and which is the most difficult part of the whole lake, because it is very high, from very high speed go up here, and then it's easy to get damage. And the car will going outside if your car is not stable. So after the final stage, then we come back to the start point.
The red carpet for Cavalia. And we've got all of the stars of the show who are going to be coming down the red carpet. They're all getting ready.